Al Udeid Air Base is a major military base located in Qatar, approximately 15 kilometers south of Doha, the capital city. It serves as a critical hub for military operations in the Middle East. Al Udeid Air Base is one of the largest military bases in the Middle East, covering an area of approximately 1,100 acres. It was originally built in the 1990s and has since undergone significant expansions and modernizations. The base is operated by the Qatar Emiri Air Force, but it also hosts a large number of international military personnel and assets. Facilities and infrastructure in Al Udeid Military Air Base. The base has 2 parallel runways, each measuring 3,810 meters long and 45 meters wide, capable of handling large military and civilian aircraft. It has a modern air traffic control tower, equipped with advanced radar and communication systems. It also has several large hangars and maintenance facilities for aircraft, including a major maintenance depot and large fuel storage tanks, and a network of fuel distribution systems. 5. Accommodation and support facilities. Barracks, mess halls, medical facilities, and recreational areas for military personnel. Al Udeid Air Base is home to a significant number of international military forces, including the United States Air Force's Central Command, AFCENT, serves as the headquarters for AFCENT, which oversees U.S. military operations in the Middle East. The 379th Air Base Wing, U.S. Air Force, is based at Al Udeid, providing support for U.S. and coalition forces in the region. The base is also home to various Qatar Emiri Air Force units, including fighter, transport, and helicopter squadrons. The base hosts military personnel and assets from other countries, including the United Kingdom, Australia, and Canada. The base has robust security measures in place, including a secure perimeter fence surrounds the base with multiple checkpoints and access control points. It also has advanced air defense systems, including surface-to-air missile batteries, which protect the base from aerial threats. The base is equipped with advanced ISR capabilities, including radar and electronic surveillance systems. Role in regional security. Al Udeid Air Base plays a critical role in regional security, serving as a hub for military operations that supports a wide range of military operations, including counterterrorism, airstrikes, and humanitarian missions. The base's presence helps deter potential threats from hostile actors in the region and provides vital support for coalition operations in the Middle East, including logistics, maintenance, and medical support. Significance of Al Udeid Air Base to the United States. Al Udeid Air Base is a vital military installation for the United States and its operations in the Middle East. The base serves as a central command hub. Al Udeid is the headquarters for the United States Central Command's CENTCOM's air component, which oversees military operations in the Middle East, North Africa, and Central Asia. The base hosts the 609th Air Operations Center, AOC, which coordinates air operations across the region, providing command and control for air campaigns, including combat, transport, and surveillance missions. Al Udeid is a key logistics hub, supporting the movement of personnel, equipment, and supplies across the region. Missions undertaken by the United States from Al Udeid. 1. Operation Enduring Freedom, 2001 to 2014. Al Udeid served as a key base for operations in Afghanistan, with many sorties flown from the base in support of coalition forces. 2. Operation Iraqi Freedom, 2003-2011. The base was used for operations in Iraq, including air support for ground troops and logistic support for coalition forces. 3. Operation Inherent Resolve, 2014 to present. Al Udeid has played a significant role in the fight against ISIS in Iraq and Syria, with aircraft and personnel deployed from the base in support of coalition operations. 4. Airstrikes against ISIS and other terrorist groups. The base has been used for numerous airstrikes against terrorist groups, including ISIS, Al-Qaeda, and Taliban targets in Syria, Iraq, Afghanistan, and Pakistan. 5. Humanitarian assistance and disaster response. Al Udeid has been used as a hub for humanitarian assistance and disaster response efforts, including support for operations in Syria, Yemen, and other parts of the region. While exact numbers of U.S. personnel and assets are not publicly available, here are some estimates. Over 10,000 U.S. military personnel are stationed at Udeid Air Base. The base hosts around 100 aircraft, including fighter jets, transport planes, and surveillance aircraft. In 2020, the U.S. Air Force reported that Udeid Air Base had supported over 1,000 combat sorties per month. Udeid Air Base in Qatar is the largest and one of the most heavily fortified U.S. military installations in the Middle East. It features hardened infrastructure and advanced air defenses, though geopolitical escalations have periodically exposed it to low-altitude drone and cruise missile threats. Key fortifications and assets. Command Center. The base houses a massive subterranean command complex that serves as the forward headquarters for U.S. Central Command, CENTCOM, and Air Forces Central, ACentral. Air defenses. The base is outfitted with advanced anti-air and missile systems, including Patriot missile batteries and X-band radars designed to detect and intercept ballistic missiles and aerial threats. Hardened infrastructure. It features dual 12,500-foot runways and hardened aircraft shelters designed to withstand aerial bombardment. Force protection. The installation is protected by rapid response teams, advanced surveillance, and security protocols designed to prevent breaches and secure personnel. Strategic vulnerabilities. Despite its extensive fortifications, the base remains vulnerable to drone swarms and low-altitude cruise missile attacks. During escalatory cycles, U.S. forces have occasionally implemented preemptive drawdowns or shifted operational assets away from the base due to its proximity to regional adversaries and the difficulty of tracking low-altitude, hard-to-detect strikes. The exact annual U.S. spending on Udeid Air Base is not publicly itemized by the Pentagon, but baseline operational and personnel costs are broadly estimated at about $1 billion annually. The funding breakdown and arrangement include operational costs. The U.S. Department of War covers day-to-day operations, maintenance, and personnel expenses for the roughly 10,000 U.S. troops stationed there. Infrastructure and expansion. Host nation support heavily subsidizes the base. Qatar primarily funds base infrastructure, historically committing to billions in expansion projects to upgrade facilities and housing for U.S. forces. Qatar also recently announced massive capital investments in the installation, committing to invest $10 billion to modernize and expand the base. Iran views Udeid Air Base in Qatar as a primary retaliatory target due to its status as the forward headquarters of the U.S. Central Command, CENTCOM, and the largest American military facility in the Middle East. Recent incidents and threats. Direct strikes. During the regional conflict earlier in the year, the base was hit by multiple Iranian missile and drone attacks in retaliation for U.S.-Israeli strikes on Iranian sites. Physical damage. While Qatari and U.S. air defenses successfully intercepted most of the incoming fire, at least one missile struck the Udeid base complex. Defensive spending. Due to the severe expenditure of defensive interceptors during the conflict, Qatar is seeking to restock its arsenal with a $4 billion acquisition of Patriot missiles from the U.S. Operational posture. Personnel adjustments. U.S. forces temporarily pulled non-essential personnel from bases in the region, including Udeid, in response to escalating saber-rattling and threats of Iranian retaliation. Intelligence monitoring. The White House and the Department of Defense continually monitor Iranian threats to the base, leading to heightened alerts and airspace control measures by Qatar during periods of heightened tension. Base hardening. The U.S. and its Gulf allies are focused on improving defenses for critical assets, deploying physical barriers like netting to shield radar systems and command structures against swarm drone and missile attacks.